Hi, I'm David with Silverseas Yachts, and this is a 2023 34 GLS Cruisers Yacht. Has the polished stainless steel anchor with a windlass. Big open bow for seating with a table that's stored right now. It has the Mediterranean shade for sun protection. Side windows going down the hull. Walk-through windshield. That's the sea deck mat throughout the entire boat. Gray with white stripes, and then it has the Mercury 4.6 liter 300 horsepower V8s, and those have joystick docking and auto helm. There's the white with the gray interior. Has a cockpit grill Kenyon right here, and then a small sink right here. Trash right in there. Refrigerator, freezer. That's the sunroof on the fiberglass hardtop. And SIMRAD display, fishfinder and GPS. And it has the Seakeeper factory installed gyro for stabilization. There's your joystick for easy docking with skyhook, which is the electronic anchor, and auto heading for autopilot steering. Digital throttle and shift, automatic trim tabs, and a cell phone charger right there. Has the high water alarm and the Fireboy automatic fire extinguisher, and the SIMRAD VHF radio, and the Rockford Fosgate sound system. This is the helm control here. Stainless steel steering wheel with leather, hand stitched. It's an Italian wheel. And then a Ritchie flush mount compass. And there's your windshield wiper with the washer. That's a table that'll go out here. There's another stereo control. Big wraparound seating, 34 footer, lots of room. That's a screen door. Then a slider door to lock it up. This area here converts to a bed. That table drops down and a cushion goes on it. There's your AC/DC panel. There's your Rockford Fosgate stereo. Your microwave. Dometic electric flush head. The bowl sink, stainless steel hardware. There's your shower. It's got hot and cold water shower. In the back here we have another little sleeper. And then downstairs we have the refrigerator here. This has air conditioning and heat, and there's your controls for it, and then an opening window there for the cabin. Real nice. Also ordered it with the refrigerator here. This pulls out for more cold drinks. And a flip up bolster, we can pop that down. And we also have the armrest. Nice big captain's chair. Nice big sunroof. And then I have the electric shade open. The extended swim step there that covers the outboard well is down also. If we push this button here, that folds down to make a big sunbed or another sleeper. Lots of room, lots of drink holders. These here are where you put the posts for the 2 tables that it comes with. Those store in those bags right there, and there's the legs. Also has a 110 receptacle here to plug in 110 items. Rear facing seat right there. Those 2 V8 engines are 600 pounds each. So they're very light, but they're powerful. They're 4-stroke, so they're real quiet. And then you have 2 stainless steel props. And if you go swimming, there's a shower here with hot and cold water. And there's a ladder that drops down right under back off that swim step. This is fiberglass. The white gel coat with the black hardtop. You see up on top, that's the Simrad radar, so it has the radar upgrade also. VHF antenna. It's a pull-out cleat for fenders right there, and then your through bolted cleats there also. Stainless steel rubber rail. '23 34 GLS.